Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Epic.
The VRL station. Trains is shaking. Trains shaking the.
Maybe it's leaving.
Yeah, it's probably leaving.
Does this train still work?
They still work, but they're just
It would be nice
for
to
service.
ride.
CP. 6 CP.
That's epic.
This is probably like something that.
Ooh, wouldn't that be so cool if we can make it?
No. Signals the train to stop.
You know what? We can't go, and then we jump on the train. We activate it, and then we hop on, and then we ride it to another country.
I actually thought it was funny when I had my first motorcycle.
What the crap? What does this have to do with anything?
The one bad thing about the railroad, I wouldn't say it's really bad.
What the heck is WCHT? Oh, look, a crossing. Yeah, okay, let's go around, and then we can go back. Whoa, look at this car! Rail car. CN. Yeah, but we can't. CN. Slenders, kidding. Hey, what's your problem? Kidding. CN. Look at the mail car. It's a mail car. 1, 2, 3 wheels. They're old cars. Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
Hey, look, we can go inside. Go inside.
Go in?
Oh, look, the door. Go in there. Let's just take a peek.
Holy shoot, this is epic.
The next car. Oh wait, we can't go in the next car.
Yeah.
We're at the Winnipeg Railway Museum.
Not mean shoot. What?
Ooh. Oh my gosh. You stupid Canadian national person.
What the fort? Oh, you guys called.
Look at this old CN car.
Hello.
Ucha. Ucha. My dad's probably over there. Oh, what? Oh.